Well, hello students. It's a long time we all met. The pandemic has spread every nook and corner of the world. Authorities give us the information that there are more than 27 million COVID positive cases in the world. Our country stands just behind the US with more than 4 million cases. It is a peak time that each one of us must be aware about the situation. What to be noticed that we are least bothered about, we are not serious about the precautions of this COVID-19. You must be irritated by hearing the instructions directed by the government. You may be thinking, what is your role in this world? To create a COVID-free India, to create a COVID-free world. Your each effort is very much valuable. Your small steps, simple steps taken today will be a big steps tomorrow. So by performing small steps, by performing simple steps, we can contribute our share towards setting up of COVID-free world. We can practice social distancing in public places. Along with that, use of masks and sanitizers are very important. Go out only for very urgent needs, otherwise stay at home. At the same time, try to educate your near and dear ones about its impacts. Should educate the neighbors, should educate your friends, so that we can prepare a COVID-free world. Even though the situation is too critical, we have a ray of hope. The seriousness of the diseases has been decreasing day by day. So we can be saved if we will take a bit alert. If we will take little bit precaution, if we will take little bit care, we can save the whole world. Try to consume only hot food items. Spices have a vital role, a high medicinal value here in the scenario of COVID. So try to include them in your diet. You should drink hot water, use spices during this period because high temperature will avoid the growth of COVID-19 virus. The pandemic has affected all the different kinds of people, including students also. However, you need not be worried. Be strong mentally, be fit physically. It is my great pleasure to hear that most of you spend hours for studies. It is the true spirit, and this should be your spirit towards studies. The pandemic has brought a new culture of online studies around the whole world, around the globe. We are also a part of the same. Many of you attend the video classes given by the teachers, but it is disgusting to notice that some of the students are not serious about the online classes. There is no other option other than online classes to teach you all during this pandemic. You all must serious toward the classes. It is painful to know that some students are not able to utilize the facilities provided by the school like online classes. They might be facing many problems related to their studies. So here I am with some advice, some suggestions for you. Dear students, remember, an arrow can only be shot to its aim by pulling it backwards. So in the situation, these problems might pull you backward, drop you backward, but don't lose hope. These problems are going to launch you to something great. This time is crucial for all the board class students. It's my request to you all to attend the online class regularly. That punctuality you should have to maintain there at the field of online classes. And it is compulsory for you, it's mandatory for you to attend the online classes and evaluations and assignments. Your internal marks will be awarded on the basis of these evaluations, assignments and classes attendance, punctuality and full. So once more, I would like to tell you not to be in panic. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.